Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 20 minutes to complete. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, rotate the lock cylinder to the run position. Insert a small screwdriver into the access hole beneath the lock cylinder. Depress the retaining pin and pull the lock cylinder from the column. To install the new lock cylinder, rotate it to the run position and push it fully into the port. Rotate the new lock cylinder through all positions to ensure proper function. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable. Key programming procedure. First, remove the provided keys from the keyring and separate them from one another. Plug the programmer into the OBD2 port underneath the dash. It will beep once. Insert the non-transponder key into the new lock cylinder and hold the original key next to it in this orientation. Rotate the lock to the on position. The programmer will beep once and the key can be removed from the ignition. Tech note: keep the original key away from the column for the remainder of this procedure. Insert the first new transponder key and turn it to the on position without starting the vehicle. The programmer will beep twice. The programmer LED will flash and begin the 10-minute security access wait. Keep the key in the ignition cylinder during this time. After 10 minutes, the programmer will beep twice, signaling that security access has been attained. Without removing the key, cycle the ignition from off to on without starting the vehicle. The programmer will beep twice, and the first transponder key can be removed. Then, insert the second transponder key and turn it to the on position without starting the vehicle. The programmer will beep 3 times when programming is complete. Both transponder keys are now programmed. The non-transponder key can be discarded.